viewer, welcome to my channel. In addition to home handmade craft, we can also be a great way to express our personal style and add a touch of personality to our home. So let's go start.
Handmade crafts have been around for centuries, and for good reason. They offer a variety of benefits that make them a worthwhile investment. Here are 10 of the most compelling reasons to buy handmade crafts. 1. Uniqueness. Handmade crafts are one of a kind, making them a special and unique addition to your home or wardrobe. No two pieces are exactly alike, so you can be sure that you are owning something that is truly special. 2. Quality. Handmade crafts are often made with high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Artisans take pride in their work, and it shows in the quality of their products. 3. Sustainability. Handmade crafts are often made with sustainable materials and practices. This is because artisans often use locally sourced materials and traditional techniques that have been passed down for generations. 4. Support for local artisans. When you buy handmade crafts, you are supporting local artisans and their communities. This is a great way to help keep traditional crafts alive and support local economies. 5. Conversation starters. Handmade crafts are always a good conversation starter. People are always interested in learning more about the artist and the process behind the creation of the piece. 6. Personalization. Many artisans offer personalization options for their crafts. This is a great way to make a gift even more special. 7. Gifts that are appreciated. Handmade crafts make great gifts that are sure to be appreciated. They show that you put thought and effort into choosing a gift that is special for the recipient. 8. Investment in the future. Handmade crafts can be a valuable investment. As the demand for handmade crafts increases, the value of these pieces will also rise. 9. Feel-good factor. There is something special about owning a handmade craft. Knowing that someone put their time and effort into creating something special for you can make you feel good. 10. Support for creativity. When you buy handmade crafts, you are supporting creativity and innovation. Artisans are always coming up with new and unique ideas, and your purchase helps them to continue their creative work. In addition to these benefits, handmade crafts can also be a great way to express your personal style and add a touch of personality to your home. So next time you are looking for something unique and special, be sure to consider handmade crafts.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.